guys! Welcome to Edsa Shangrila Manila and nandito tayo ngayon sa Deluxe Horizon Club Lounge, King Room. So, room tour ko kayo dito sa room and dun sa lounge, which is nandun din ang check-in for any club rooms. Technically, you have your own lobby there. Doon yung pwedeng i-request yung mga kailangan nyo. Pwede kayo mag-check-in doon para di na kayo makipagsapalaran sa lobby sa main, sa baba, because maraming tao doon. And ito na, room tour na tayo. So, let's start dito sa CR. This is the toilet. Meron silang bidet na naka-attach, parang Japanese style. Wala lang siyang panels, pero ayan, iikot nyo lang yan, may water dyan normally. And then, meron tayo ditong mga toiletries. Ayan. But, yung mga toiletries nila dati na Loxitan, wala na yun. Mga nasa pump na dahil save the earth na tayo ngayon. And tissues, glasses, what's this? What's this? Mga cotton for skincare. We have a mirror here. And then another one for vanity, yung mga naka-zoom. Yan, may weighing scale, some towels. Meron ding intercon dito sa loob ng toilets. And meron tayong clothes hanger. Technically, if you have wet clothes, dito yon. So, kakabit nyo lang sa kabilang side. And then more towels. This is the shower. Meron tayong bathtub. Hindi ko lang sure guys, pero dito sa garden wing kasi, ito yung old rooms nila. Meron pang bathtub. Pero yung mga bago, dun sa tower wing, mga renovated, wala na atang bathtubs dun. But we still chose this because may club lounge first and foremost. Number 2 dahil sa bathtub. Next, punta tayo dito sa closet. This is the closet guys. Pasensya na, may gamit na. Medyo maamoy siya, guys. I don't like the smell. It doesn't smell like Shangri-La. Yun lang. Amoy siya old library. And we have some slippers. Very nice. And shoe shine. Ayan. Extra pillows. Nasa taas. Pati ang kumot. We also have laundry bags here. If gusto nyo magpa-laundry. Also, more drawers. Bathrobes. Hangers. And then, here tucked sa pinakadulo is, tawag dito, clothes iron set. In case you needed to iron your clothes. Meron din tayong espresso machine. Nespresso as usual to all the 5-star hotels naman. So, these are the pods. I think you can request more kapag naubos nyo yan. Also, meron tayo ditong coffee and tea making facility. So, they have tea, even stevia guys. And, meron ding instant coffee, if you like that. This is the room, and it's a king bed, as I have said. And meron kaming paganyan kasi may sinaselebrate kami. Technically, advanced wedding anniversary namin. And meron palang water bottles. Not really bottles, but water in the box on the side of the bed. Each side. Meron ding light switches, pero walang saksakan on both sides. I think on one side lang, which is nandun. Medyo malayo siya. And they also have another intercom, phone here, pen, paper, clock, and then a chair for lounging. Yan, may cake kami. And meron din ditong sampayan for clothes, like formal clothes if you have barong or suits. Also, if you need help with wearing shoes, they have this. There's an office desk and chair. Or a vanity desk and chair, if you may. And, what's this? Yes, more plugs dito. TV, medyo malaki yung TV, but it's not a smart TV. It's, this is the cable TV. So, anyways, merong QR code dito sa room. Dati kasi parang dito pa yung mga menu, daming papel, diba? Ngayon, it's just one simple QR code and you just have to scan it. And then there's a feedback QR code as well if you want to give them a feedback. This is the view from our room. Nasa baba yung heat. Yan yung tower wing, guys. We are now at the garden wing, which is the same wing kung nasaan ang lounge. And nasaan ang mga, tawag dito, venue for events. So that's it for the room tour. Now we're going up sa 14th floor. That's where the lounge is. And let's check it kung ano pong meron doon. The lounge pala guys is open. Yung lobby din doon is open from 6 AM to 12 midnight. So if you need something past 12 midnight, doon ka na sa main lobby magko-call or parang doon ka na nila i-redirect. But yung afternoon tea starts at 2 p.m. which is included if you have a Horizon room. And meron din silang cocktails and small bites din at night ng 5 to 7 p.m. So I also forgot to tell you, meron pala silang dress codes when you go here. So no swimsuits, bathrobes, activewear. Technically, kung parang anything below casual is not allowed. And you need to keep your volumes down because this is a lounge and it should be quiet actually. Meron ding mga meeting rooms. You can use this, as far as I remember, 2 hours when you have a room here. Din yung lobby guys, yung area na yan. Medyo quiet, halos walang tao. Compared doon sa Horizon ng Fort. Smaller siya, but it's much more quiet. So this is what the lounge looks like guys. And currently it's an afternoon tea time. Ito yung mga kasama. So meron tayong Filipino snacks. Scones, clotted cream, jam, baguette, and chicken sandwich. Ito palang espresso machine nito guys. It's also an espresso. So, ayan. They all have different types of sweeteners. Brown sugar, white sugar, stevia. So, the afternoon tea dito sa Horizon Club Lounge is daily at 2 to 4 p.m. After we have our afternoon tea dito, explore natin yung ground floor, yung sa main wing. So, this is the lobby guys, yung main. You will first go here. Then, ask them na mag-check-in kayo dun sa club room. And they will help you to go up dun sa taas. So, that's the lobby. And ito na yung lobby lounge. So, dyan yung mga afternoon teas. Bakehouse is there. Puntahan natin. Bakehouse yung bread pastry stores ng Shangri-La. After exploring the lobby, nandito naman ako sa health club. Meron silang jacuzzi, cold pool, sauna, steam room, and itong spin dryer for wet clothes. You can use this. It's currently 5 p.m. and I'm back here in the lounge. I'm just gonna quickly show you around what's here during cocktail hour. So cocktail hour is 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. every single day. To be honest, the food options are already good for dinner. So we had their dinner here as well. Other than the meats, they also have fruits, like fresh sliced fruits and salads. Pwede rin kayo mag-request ng rice if you like rice with your dinner. And here are the alcohol options. Meron silang mga different types of beers, spirits, cocktails. You just have to request it and they will deliver it to your table. The choices are endless guys, pati red wine meron yan, all sorts of wines. And this is the same table where they serve the afternoon tea food choices earlier. Ngayong gabi, it's filled with cheeses, cold cuts, and desserts. They also serve the crabs and prawns. Hi guys! And it's the next day. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Heat for breakfast and I'll tour you around. Ito pala yung pool guys, nasa likod ko lang. So, bali meron siyang alfresco area. But wala siyang direct access, like wala siyang stairs that you can go to directly so that you can swim. So, breakfast muna tayo. Tingnan natin yung meron sa loob. So, pasok na tayo. This is the entrance ng Heat. And meron tayo dito ang Asian favorites. Yung baro dito guys. Yan, mga stir fries, Filipino food, breakfast. Breads. Meron din silang homemade na Greek yogurt. Oh, that sounds good. They also have Indian food. Shakshuka, corned beef. Marami silang food guys. Siyempre bacon, hindi mawawala yan. Juices, noodles, meron ding mga cold cuts, meron ding Japanese area, kakanins, chocolates, from Malagos, di ba? Davao chocolates are famous for that. Meron din tayong pork free for people who cannot eat pork, or probably, I just don't know if halal yan, pero pork free daw. They also have ice cream for breakfast. Galing, no? Banana bread. Ayan, meron din silang mga pancakes, crepes, waffles, champurrado. Kuha na ako ng plate. So, this is my plate. Kain tayo, guys. This is my second plate and kumuha din ako ng iced coffee, mango juice, and meron tayo ditong chia pudding na may Greek yogurt and mangoes. Very fresh yung mga fruits nila guys. Even yung oranges nila, ang ganda na pagkakakat. Also, wala siyang seeds. So this is the breakfast buffet in the lounge. Mas konti siya. But it's much more quieter here, and they also have taho, salads, sushi, cold cuts, morning, breads, coffee, more breads, and meron din pala dito. Yan, beef tapa, pork tocino, meron ding mga congee, arroz caldo. And very empty guys, compared dun sa baba. Diba? Sobrang chill lang dito sa taas and relaxing. Meron ding mga made to order from this menu, bukod doon sa buffet. So may mga Filipino, American, eggs. Yan for vegan, meron ding option. Edsa Shangrila's pool area is one of the best pools na napuntahan ko sa 5-star hotel dito sa Metro Manila kasi ang daming pwedeng gawin. Meron silang water slide, wet play zone for kids, tapos may 9 feet part ng pool, lots of lounge chairs, and may inflatable island on weekends. So this is also the menu ng pool bar. You can also have lunch and dinner here. Open sila from morning to night. And I think they also have drinks at the back. And we went to the gym just to check it out and show it to you guys. So, complete naman. And very maganda ang equipment. And that's it for our Edsa Shangrila staycation experience. Thanks for watching. Bye!